1 minus 6 is just negative 5. And here inside the parentheses, 1 minus 6 is also negative 5. Then negative 5 times negative 5 is equals to 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses and exponent, and then multiplication or division, and final addition or subtraction. Remember that this multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to this addition and subtraction. Therefore, in this expression, there is one subtraction here, one multiplication here, and inside the parentheses there is one subtraction. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay? If we do this subtraction before this parentheses or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses. Inside the parentheses, 1 minus 6, which equals to negative 5. Then 1 minus 6, then times negative 5. Here, one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply this number first. Negative 6 times negative 5, which equals to 13, positive 13. Okay? Because negative times negative, which is positive. Then 1 plus 13 is equals to 31. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the final answer of this problem is 31.